Choosing the right window style can significantly impact comfort, functionality, and overall home appeal. Sliding windows have become an increasingly popular choice for homeowners who want a simple, space-efficient, and modern window solution. For homeowners in Washington, sliding windows offer a practical combination of ease of use, versatility, and long-term performance that fits a wide range of home layouts. Space-saving design for flexible living. One of the most notable benefits of sliding windows is their space-efficient design. Unlike windows that open outward or require vertical movement, sliding windows operate horizontally within their frame. This means they don't interfere with furniture placement, walkways, or exterior landscaping. In Washington homes with limited wall space or compact room layouts, sliding windows provide full functionality without sacrificing usable space. Easy operation and everyday convenience. Sliding windows are designed for smooth, effortless operation. A simple horizontal motion makes them easy to open and close, even in hard-to-reach areas. For Washington homeowners, this ease of use adds daily convenience and makes sliding windows a great option for kitchens, bedrooms, and living areas. Wide views and abundant natural light. Sliding windows often feature large glass panels that provide expansive views of the outdoors. These wide panes allow plenty of natural light to enter the home, creating brighter and more inviting spaces. In Washington homes, increased natural light helps improve indoor ambiance and reduce reliance on artificial lighting. Improved ventilation in tight spaces. Even in rooms where space is limited, proper ventilation remains important. Sliding windows allow homeowners to control airflow without opening into walkways or exterior obstacles. For Washington homeowners, sliding windows deliver reliable ventilation while maintaining safety and convenience. Modern aesthetic that complements many styles. Sliding windows offer a clean, streamlined look that fits well with modern and transitional home designs. Their simple frames and minimal hardware create a subtle, contemporary appearance. Across Washington neighborhoods, sliding windows help refresh home exteriors and interiors without overwhelming the overall design. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Sliding windows have fewer moving parts than many other window styles, which can reduce wear over time. Modern designs are built with durable materials that resist warping, corrosion, and weather-related damage. For Washington homeowners, this means less maintenance and reliable performance over the long term. Energy efficiency that supports comfort. When properly installed, sliding windows provide effective insulation. Tight seals and advanced glass options help reduce air leakage and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. In Washington homes, energy-efficient sliding windows support comfort and help lower heating and cooling costs. Ideal for homes with exterior constraints. Some homes face exterior limitations such as fences, patios, or narrow side yards. Sliding windows operate entirely within their frame, making them a practical solution where outward opening windows aren't feasible. For Washington homeowners dealing with exterior space constraints, sliding windows offer flexibility without compromise. Increased home appeal and value. Installing sliding windows can enhance a home's appearance and perceived value. Their modern design and functional benefits appeal to many buyers. In Washington, sliding windows contribute to both everyday comfort and long-term property value. A smart window choice for Washington homes. Sliding windows offer a balance of practicality, style, and performance. From saving space and improving natural light to delivering easy operation and energy efficiency, they provide lasting benefits. For Washington homeowners, installing sliding windows is a smart investment that enhances comfort and complements a wide range of home designs.